You could really see and hear how important it was to the guys out there representing their country. I'm sure they really felt that. You know, they played really well.
It was actually very cool to have the Iran players there.
Most importantly, it was taking part of the occasion. Yeah. It wasn't much of the footballing. I mean, it was a nice centerpiece to bring the two countries together. Yeah. But more importantly, it was, I mean, a great day.
These guys, they run it really well. They pass ball really well. Our team is 2 years old now, yeah. So we still learn every week, every game. We try the best. Of course, say everything.
I spoke with one guy and he said they played together 11 years. Very good. I hope so. Our team will be play 11 years, and we can meet every year. This team. That's one of the most important things. It rekindles the spirit. So I mean, both for the Poland kits as well and the Iran kit of 1976. It was very nice.
We are happy to be part of this occasion. It is a remembrance of the 1978 match between Iran and Poland, and we enjoyed it. We found new friends, and what else can I say?
Quite a high standard too. Quite a high standard too. Yeah, the ball was passed around. It was a good game. It was a good game to be involved in and to watch while I was refereeing it. It was fantastic.
Tam już w swoim czasie, ale nie.